Today I'm going to show you how to make a paper spider web. You can decorate your window with them, or you can even make a garland by taping them together. This is the perfect fall activity to do with a group of kids. These spider webs are made exactly like a paper snowflake. Start by cutting your paper into a square, by folding the top corner down, matching the top with the side to make a triangle. Then cut off the excess paper. Now fold that triangle in half. Fold it in half again. And one last time. Now you will draw the template onto this piece of paper. Make sure that the folded edge stays intact. You will be cutting through quite a few layers of paper, and it can be difficult to cut. Make sure that your fingers are out of the way and you are using sharp scissors. Now carefully open up your spider web, making sure not to rip the paper. Ta-da! Now you're done.